Welcome home to 2972 Hartley Drive. This spacious 5-bedroom, 3.5-bath home offers over 3,000 square feet of comfortable living space, perfect for both everyday living and entertaining. The manicured neighborhood has sidewalks and underground utilities. An inviting covered front porch ensures your packages stay dry. Enter into the foyer that has beautiful hardwood floors. A cathedral ceiling on the main level offers an open feel. Stylish coffered ceilings elevate the formal dining room. The hardwood floors extend into the spacious great room. A stone fireplace in the great room makes the perfect focal point. The open concept makes entertaining easy. This is the view from the great room looking toward the kitchen. The beautiful kitchen is a chef's dream. A custom pantry and island set this kitchen apart, as well as the gas cooktop and stainless steel appliances. The high-end finishes truly give this kitchen an elegant feel. Enjoy a view of the backyard from the morning room. The primary bedroom is on the main level and has a tray ceiling, as well as a sitting area that is currently being used as a workout space. The master suite also has hardwood flooring. This is one of two primary closets. The primary bath has a jetted tub and an oversized shower, as well as his and her vanities with extra storage space. A spacious guest bedroom is also on the main level, with a full bath. This fully equipped utility room is also on the main level of the home.